Hello, students, and welcome to Fraction Story Problems 9.1. All right, on this video, I'm going to show you one example of each of the story problems you're going to find on level 9.1. So if you get stuck or you need to retry a level, check the video out. You can pause, fast forward, find exactly the style problem that you're working on for any extra support you need. Okay, let's get started. Our first problem has to do with serving cakes. This one says, Jersey served 6/3 of the cakes at a party, and what is 6/3 expressed as a whole number? Okay, so another way to write fractions is 6/3, right? And the easiest way to do this, like you've learned in the lower levels, is all you need to do is divide the numerator by the denominator. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And that also shows you that 6/3 expressed as a whole number is 2. Okay, for our next problem. In this one, Rosie wants to find an equivalent fraction for 2/3. She multiplies the numerator and denominator by 4. And what equivalent fraction does she get? Okay, so I'm going to set this up and write the fraction vertically. And 2/3. And she's multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 4. So I'm just going to set up a problem here. Also timing this by 4. And we have 2 times 4 equals 8. And 3 times 4 equals 12. So the equivalent fraction Rosie was looking for is 8/12. Okay, the third style problem you're going to see says Jaden wants to find the equivalent fraction for 8/24. He divides the numerator and denominator by 4. What equivalent fraction does he get? So in the last one, you are multiplying, right, to find an equivalent fraction. This one, you're dividing. Okay, so I have 8/24. Best way to do it is write it out vertically. Okay, and he's dividing the numerator and denominator by 4. So 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And 24 divided by 4 equals 6. So this shows that you can find equivalent fractions with multiplication and division. So the equivalent fraction Jaden was looking for, he got 2/6, is equivalent to 8/24. Okay, this problem we have a bakery and donut problem. This says the bakery has 18 donuts and 1/6 of the donuts are chocolate. How many chocolate donuts do they have? Okay, so if, as you remember in the lower levels, this is just 1/6 of 18. So what you need to do is you can, well, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can think 6 times blank equals 18, and 6 times 3 equals 18. So your answer would be 3. I'll write it here. So then you take your 3. Sorry, 1 second. Take your 3 and you multiply it by this one, and it gives you 3. So 1/6 of 18 equals 3. Okay, the other way to think about this is using division. You can also go 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Multiply it by 1, also equals 3. So 1/6 of 18 equals 3. Okay, that's it for this video. Hopefully it helped. You guys have a nice day. I'll see you later.